Hello, my name is Vignesh. I'm from AMLB with registration number 22PA1A4280. This is a video for Node.js interview question. Well, the first question is about what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP. Well, Node.js is nothing but a runtime environment that allows run JavaScript on the Chrome engine without irrespective of the client or client server engine. It can run anywhere. Unlike traditional server technologies like Apache or PHP, Node.js is event driven and non-blocking, which means it can handle a large number of concurrent activity connections efficiently, and it is built on Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. Okay, what is a callback function in Node.js? Is the second question. What is a callback function in Node.js, and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Well, a callback function in Node.js is similar to other programming structure. It passes an argument to other function, and it is executed when the function completes its task. Callback functions are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle asynchronous operations such as reading file, making HTTP requests. Even though some operations may take longer than others, they ensure that code is executed in the correct order. Well, the third question is what is the purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Well, in the package.json file is nothing but it contains metadata about the project, such as name, version, dependencies, scripts. Some of the properties include version. Version it contains the version of the project, name, the name of the project, scripts, custom scripts that can run with npm. The fourth question is explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Well, require is used in older database projects. It is a common JS module system. It is used to import modules uh, dynamically. It is synchronous. Contrast to the require, import is asynchronous, and it is used to import modules statically. We would use require in Node.js for compatibility with older code bases or when working with common JS modules. We use import for newer projects or you when using ES6 modules. Well, the fifth question is about what is middleware in the context of Express.js. Can you give an example of how you would use a middleware in an Express application? Well, middleware in Express.js or functions that have access to the request and response project objects. They can perform tasks such as logging, authentication, or error handling. Well, for example, let us take logging middleware that logs each incoming request to the server with details like request method, URL, and timestamp. Well, let's go to the sixth question. What is API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API is an architectural style for designing networked applications. It uses HTTP methods such as get, post, put, delete to perform CRUD, meaning create, read, update, and delete operations or resources. For example, for the HTTP methods such as get is used to retrieve data, post is used to create new data, put it is used to update existing data, delete it is used to delete data. Let's go for the last question. What is the purpose of the node package manager and such a nothing but npm, and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a node.js project? Npm is a default package manager for node.js used to install, manage, and share packages of the JavaScript code. It allows you to easily add, update, and remove dependencies in your project using simple commands like npm install, npm uninstall, and npm update. There's also a website where we can use several npm packages, where we can just type it on Node.js compiler. Well, let's go for the last question. Why is it important to hash passwords in an web application? Well, it is very important to use hash password for security purposes. It is near most impossible to crack such when passwords when using hash function. Um it uses hash function to update our string. In other words, when you hash a password, it means you are converting the passwords into a scrambled, unreadable format. It helps protect the actual password in a case there's a data breach. So even if someone get access to the hashed password, they can easily reverse engineer them back to the original passwords. Thank you.